I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix the storage full warning on your Android device. First, use the built-in storage cleaner to remove junk files. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap Storage. Step 3. Tap Free Up Space or Smart Cleaning depending on your device manufacturer. Step 4. Review the suggested junk files, temporary files, and unused items, and then tap Free Up or Delete to clear them out. Next, clear cache data for heavy apps. Streaming platforms, social media apps, and web browsers accumulate massive amounts of cache over time. You can clear this by opening Settings, tapping Apps, selecting a heavy app like Chrome or TikTok, tapping Storage and Cache, and then choosing Clear Cache. Another great way to clear space is by offloading large media files to cloud storage or an SD card. You can use Google Photos to back up your photos and videos, and then use the Free Up Space feature inside Google Photos to safely delete the local copies off your internal storage. Finally, manage your downloads and unused apps. Open your device's Files app, tap Downloads, and delete old PDFs or installers you no longer need. Then, go through your app drawer and uninstall any games or utilities you haven't opened in months. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.